guys, Shantelle Lace coming at you with another video, and I'm super excited to be doing this video because I just received my Boxycharm, my premium box for the month of April. So if you want to see what I've received for this month, just stay tuned. Welcome back, you guys. So yes, I am excited to be doing this video because I've had a rough day today. I have been trying to upload a DIY video on my daughter's vanity today, and it just will not do it. It uploads to YouTube, but when you get to the processing stage, it just stops. And I can't remember exactly what the message is. It says abandoned processing or something. It just won't process, so I'm not sure. So hopefully I can get this video up for you guys today instead of that one, but this is going to make my day because y'all know I love me some makeup. So yes, I'm excited to be opening this, and this did kind of brighten my mood. But if that's happened to you when you're trying to upload a video, please let me know in the comment section because I don't know what to do. I don't get anything else but that message, and that's it. So, but we're going to go on and get into this video. So if you do not know what Boxycharm is a monthly subscription box. So you can get a Boxycharm for $25 a month, and you get, I believe it's 4 to 5 full-size products. But this is the Boxy Premium, so this one is $35 a month, and you get 6 to 7 full-size products, and they usually value around $175 or more. And on the Boxy Premium, you have the option of choosing one of the things in your box. I don't never choose that option because I want to be surprised on what I get, so I don't never choose anything in my box. But yes, let's go on and get started. So I've already cut the box open to save us time. Oops, I done dropped some stuff, y'all. But here goes the box. And ooh, I like the color this month. It's blue. I like the inside of this. But let me pick up the cord. Okay, so it looks like this month's theme is Festival Vibes. And I got version 57. There's so many different versions of the box, which is very nice because a lot of people get them and everybody's box is different. So I like that. So yes, so let's go on and get inside. And the first thing that I see is a palette. Yes, it is the Lunar Beauty Life's a Drag color palette. Ooh, and I think this is by Manny, M-U-A, Lunar Beauty. So that's super cute, cool, and cute because I don't have anything from his brand yet. And, ooh, I really do like the packaging. Ooh, I like the packaging. Look at that. It got his eyes on the cover. But then I look at the back. I would have preferred this to be the front, to be honest with you. But yeah, I really, really like it. I think it's cute. And then it has like the gold right here. This is so pretty. Oh my gosh, look at that. They got some pretty shades in there. And then it has this cute little mirror with the detailing. I really like this. This is cute. Ooh, okay, let's do some swatching real quick. So we got Pageant Queen, Kiki, and Fishy. Nobody. Sorry, I just had something go through. Sorry, Fishy. But okay, so we have Fishy right here. Ooh, look at that blue. Then we got Kiki. Oh, look at that. Super nice and pretty and pigmented. And then we have Pageant Queen, which y'all know I love me some purples. That is pretty. I can't wait to play with this palette. So this is very, very nice. Ooh, I'm excited to see what else I got. Okay, so next up, we have, this is by Peach and Lily, the Good Acid Pore Toner. Gently exfoliate and balance. It has the AHA plus turmeric, which I really do like turmeric on my face. And I've just been breaking out lately, y'all. Like, I was using that face oil by Ella Mist that I got in one of my boxes, the rose oil, collagen oil. And it's just not for me, y'all. It's just not for me. I really loved how it made my skin feel, but I broke out, and this bad boy is just not going anywhere. But yeah, so it's a toner, and I like the jar. It's nice and heavy. Let's see what she smells like. Let me open it up. It has a little seal, which is always good. And this is a nice size toner too, because it's full size. Yeah, it just smells like water, nothing. It don't smell like anything. Yeah, it doesn't smell like anything, but yeah, I'm excited to try this out and see how it does on my skin. But I'm definitely not using oils on my skin anymore, you guys. Okay, so let's see what else we have in here with other little goodies. So next up, this is by Lavido, inspired by nature. It says great age away replenishing cream. It says firm, hydrate, and repair for dry and natural skin. For dry and mature skin, and I'm getting a little mature, okay? And my skin is getting a little dry right now because I've been drying it out with all these acne washes and stuff. So this will be very nice to try out. It says extracts are from 11 pure plants, and I think it's some type of Lavido. So let's see. So this is it right here. That's nice. Let's see. Let's open it up and see. Because yes, my skin, because I've been using these acne washes and creams, honey, trying to get this gone. And because she hurts too. So, I'm sorry. Alright, let's see. Ooh. Alright, she smells like a cream. She doesn't stink or anything or smell chemically. Doesn't have like a floral scent or anything. Just smells like a cream. And I'm just gonna kind of, ooh, oh, yeah. That's nice. It does, I can tell it like moisted down. It's like melting into my skin. So I like that feeling. So I'm definitely gonna try this on my face and see how it does. Next up, we have, this is by Too Faced. It says Rich and Dazzling High Shine Sparkling Lip Gloss. Ooh, and I got this in Hidden Talents. So this is the packaging. And let's see what shade this is. Ooh, this is pretty, y'all. This is, look at the packaging. It's super cute. But look at this lip gloss color. It is so pretty. Ooh, Hidden Talents. I got a few hidden talents. So let's try this on. I do have some chapstick on. So let me dab that away. Just a little dab. Because I tend to go over on the chapstick. Kind of use it like a gloss too. But let's put this on and see how it looks. Ooh, y'all. This is pretty. Definitely for going out or doing anything of that nature. Oh yeah, this is cute. Look at that. Can y'all see the sparkles? I don't know. Let me get up close. Ooh. Look at that. Can you see the sparkles? It is super pretty. I love it. Definitely gonna be using this gloss, especially when when we get back to normal and we can go out and do all of that fun stuff. With a nice burgundy lip and put this on top, or I could even be a red lip and put this on top. Okay, super cute. So I am happy about that. All right, so let's see what else. Ooh! Next up, this is a mascara by Wonder Beauty, and it is the Mile High Club, the Volume and Length Mascara Volume Mist. And I got this in another one of my subscription boxes. I can't remember which one because it was a few months ago. And I love this mascara, and I was running out, so I'm so glad I got another one. Hey, I use this for my bottom lash line, and it works wonders. And who doesn't want to be a part of the Mile High Club? I know I do. If I ain't already. Am I? But anyways, yes. Let's see. Last but not least. Looks like we got some brushes by Opulent Beauty. They're in this little bag. So let's open. The bag's kind of cheap though. Just to be honest. It's like real cheap. Like AliExpress cheap type feeling. But look at the brushes. They are cute. They're clear, you guys. So let's take them out the packaging. Let's see. Let's take them out. Ooh, I'm excited, you guys. So yes, look at that. They're clear handles. Ooh, so pretty and dainty. So we got, this one's called the Bullet. And then, so this one you could probably do either contour, you can highlight with it, you can even just like set under your eyes. This one is kind of versatile. And then this one is kind of flat, but kind of weird shape. But let's see what it says it's for. It's a flat head, exactly. So I guess you can do this to like steeple your foundation. And then next one we have is a powder brush, which that's explanatory. Powder your face, use it for blush, bronzer, whatever. But yeah, I think these are really cute and they're very, very sleek. So I am going to try these out. I do have a lot of brushes that I need to try, but these ones I think are more, they're just appealing to me. I think it's because of the clear. I don't know. But yes, that's everything that I got in my Boxy Premium for the month of April. And I am very pleased with everything I got. I just got another mascara, which I was going to have to get one. And now I don't because it was in my box, boo. Because I love it. And I think this is very pretty. The Too Faced lip gloss. It is so cute, so I can't wait to try that out over some lipstick and just be very vampy, you know, for a night. Especially we've been stuck in the house. You know, I want to be vampy and go have drinks and mingle. And then the toner. It's always good to have toner on deck in your skincare regimen. So this is great to have, and I really like the way it feels and how heavy it is. So that is nice. We're going to see how it works on my face. And then I am going to try this Lavido moisturizing replenishing cream. This Lavido replenishing cream because my face does need to be hydrated and repair because it's just been breaking out because I was playing with that oil when I shouldn't have been using that oil. But yes, I'm very, very pleased with this. So I'm going to try that out. And last but not least, this palette. You cannot get over this palette. I mean, the cover, it's cute. But, I mean, I would have preferred this to be the cover, just to be honest with you. But it's cute. But what I like is how the palette is just kind of constructed. It makes you feel like a queen, hence drag queen. So yes, and I just love it. So I can't wait to play with these colors. And you see how they came out very pigmented. So yes, this is very cute. And I'm excited because I finally got something from Manny MUA. So I didn't have anything from his brand yet, but now I do. So yes, gonna be playing with this. But yes, that's all that I have for this video. I am very pleased with everything that I got. It did brighten up my day, as you can see. So comment down below what you like out of this month's box. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. And until next time, stay fly and shine. And be safe, y'all. Bye, you guys.